I'm sailing on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Sea, and I'm gonna show you all of the water offerings here on this ship. Welcome to Deck 11 of Adventure of the Sea. We are midship and it's a hopping party. If you're curious where most of the water activities are on the ship, it is right here in the middle of the ship on Deck 11. There are two full-size pools that are 5 feet deep each. There are 4 hot tubs, and then there's like a kiddie area that has multiple splash pads, a water slide, a water park. They even give life vests or offer life vests for the younger passengers on the ship. One of the rules that you have to have for this ship is that you need to shower before getting in the facilities. So they have outdoor showers for you. These hot tubs probably can fit like 20 people in them. So there's a lot of activity out here on the main pool deck, but it's not the only place that you can get water activities. You have water activities in the solarium pool deck, which is adult only. And then you also have water activities on deck 12, where there's water slides, and then there's the FlowRider. There's plenty of water activities here on the ship, so let's go explore them. On deck number 12, this is the area for the thrill seekers on the ship. Go towards the back of the ship and you'll find the 2 water slides and the FlowRider. The FlowRider is an intense surf-like experience. You do have to sign a waiver for it, and there's times throughout the entire cruise that you can either boogie board, you can do kneeling, or you can even stand. You do have to pass the boogie board part to do the standing part of the FlowRider experience. As far as the water slides, there's 2 water slides. One has a weight limit of 200 pounds and the other one has a weight limit of 250 pounds. You cannot film or bring any GoPros or sports-like equipment on these, but I'm gonna insert some footage right now of me going on the FlowRider. So when I first looked at doing the FlowRider, I was actually pretty nervous about it because they make you sign this crazy waiver that's like, you're gonna die. They make you watch this tutorial video all on the app, and so I was really nervous, but it was actually really fun. I didn't wipe out, so surprisingly. The ground itself is super soft. It's kind of like a trampoline. You do get slightly splashed, but yeah, it wasn't anything crazy, and there's people from various ages all the way down to like below 10 that are doing this. So if you're nervous about doing the FlowRider, they really help you to have a good experience, and you can do it with boogie boarding, you could do it with kneeling, and even advanced stuff with surfing, like standing up, but you do have to like pass some preliminary tests in order to do the stand-up. Now also on deck 11 is the solarium pool deck. This is an 18 plus only pool area, and it consists of 2 hot tubs and 1 pool in the center, and then there's a special bar. If you're curious what is like where to get like smoothies and fruit juices, it's over here by the Vitality Spa. This is a really nice place to get away from all the loud music, get away from the children. Just like in the main area for deck 11, the other pool area, there are showers here, and you do have to shower before going in and out of the pool area. It is all in this like ancient Italy like bathhouse style. Another thing that's really nice about this area, other than like the sun chairs and looking out to the water, is the like wicker bed that you can fit 2 people on. That's currently what I'm sitting on while I look out into the water. The pool here is about the same depth of the pool on the mid part of the ship, which is about 5 feet. There's shallower parts of that pool as well. But yeah, this is a really pretty part on the Adventure of the Seas. This concludes our video of showing all the water activities here on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Sea. If you have any questions about the water slides, about the kiddie area, about the pools, the adult area, or the FlowRider, leave it in the comments below. And if you like what you saw and you want to see more, click that subscribe button, that bell notification, and we hope to see you in the next one.